Welcome, halibut lovers and halibut curious. I feel confident in saying that everyone who likes fish probably likes halibut. Most people, though, gravitate towards the fillets because they don't feel comfortable cooking the other parts of the fish, like steaks, collars, cheeks, or even making stock. So I want to show you how easy it is to use these other parts of the halibut and how delicious they can be. A lot of people are working towards a zero-waste kitchen or a zero-waste household, and using all these parts of the halibut will get you close to that goal. Even though I'm a chef, I'm not going to give you any snooty chef-style recipes where you have to run around and find a billion ingredients and work forever in the kitchen prepping to make, a dinner for your family. I spent almost 35 years as a restaurant chef, and 17 of those years was as a chef in a fish restaurant. So I know a little bit about fish. And I was always happy every year when halibut came in season. It was a long season, it was delicious fish, and everybody loved it. So today we're making halibut stock. It's easy to make and it takes under an hour. It freezes well and it's great in soups, chowders, stews, congee. It's awesome in bouillabaisse or chiappino. You can sip it like bone broth because that's what it is. It's just halibut bones. It's lovely in miso soup. And let's get into the kitchen and cook.